How to turn on NFC on iPhone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be discussing about how you can easily turn on NFC on iPhone if you haven't already. So in most of the cases, iPhone with the iPhone iOS 13 or higher version will automatically have that option enabled. Or so if you don't have that enabled for some reason, then just head over to your shortcut application by simply searching for shortcuts application. And once you're inside here, just tap on this automation from over here. So once you tap on it, now simply select this plus icon at the top right corner. So once you select it, just scroll all the way down until you see the option that is NFC. So as you can see right below the Bluetooth, so just tap on that. So from over here, all you have to do is just click on scan, and you should hold your device near your NFC tag, and once you scan, it should automatically be added to your or activated on your iPhone. So that is exactly how you can easily turn on NFC on iPhone. So I hope this video was informational guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.